Here now is the little speed unit, and in front of that, where we demonstrated the striping effect that an inconsistent operator can do. This unit washes about 4 feet in width. It leaves a perfectly clean surface. Again, you have to adjust your washing deck up or down to suit the actual ground. But if it's, as you can see very slightly, there was a little bit of striping in the first run, where the two overlapping spinners, where 3 of the overlapping spinners didn't quite overlap. Correct adjustment of the washing deck gets rid of this, and as you can see, you can wash right out to the edge of the footpath. The beauty of this machine is that it offers no restriction to pedestrians walking along the footpath, and you will see it was interesting, a little old lady walking by, not a care in the world, and obviously she wasn't afraid that she would get her feet wet. If you're washing in a standard power washer and lance, you would obviously be spreading water over a much wider area and directing the water and the debris straight in front of you. This unit is connected umbilically to the rear of the tanker. It can be done either through the hydraulic hose reel which we fit on some of the tanks, which can be used for drain jetting, or it can be just used on a simple manual hose. The unit is, in this instance, petrol driven, hydrostatic drive, so you've very fine control over forward and reverse, and very fine control over your forward and reverse speed. There, as I say, a little old lady walking by, not a care in the world, and she's certainly not upset over having to walk by. This unit was originally designed for chewing gum removal. One of the problems with chewing gum, particularly on a single gun and lance scenario, is that each time you remove one dab of chewing gum, you have to wash obviously the whole area, or else you leave a very highly defined mark where the chewing gum was. As you can see at the rear of this is leaving the concrete in exactly the same condition as was the day it was newly laid. At full heat there, as you can see, there's a bit of steam drift. But since there's no pressure behind the steam, it's not throwing dirt or debris or small stones, which a pressure washer would be doing. Here we see the pump running at approximately 4000 psi, 300 bar. It'll run to about 350 bar, but as you can even hear, it's quite content there to run at about 710 RPM. And give its full flow of 94 litres of water a minute. This is the unit we use for this demonstration, owned by Mr. John O'Donovan in Ballincollig, County Cork. Full rolling chassis. That tank on the right hand side is for the diesel for the triple burner unit. Here you see myself just checking to see that everything is okay before we finished up that particular job. These single, double, triple and quadruple spinner wash decks can be fitted and built whatever size an operator wishes. depending on what pressure and volume a pump is fitted to the wash unit.